What can LinkedIn be used to do? Well, you'll first want to understand before you just jump on the network and start using it in the same way you might use Facebook or Twitter or YouTube, Instagram, or Quora, because the components are the same. You can like, share, and comment in and around the newsfeed. But the focus is different. And if you know how to leverage the tools it has, you can get the kind of results you're seeking for your business or organization. But you do need to know where these tools are and how to get them working together in LinkedIn. If you can choose the results you want to get them. Well, we've got you covered with a step-by-step over-the-shoulder video course on the basics of setting up your own LinkedIn marketing system. So in less than 1 hour, we're going to have you ready to add in the exact technical process of incorporating LinkedIn into your business. And we'll do it without lots of wasted time and extra things to do, keeping you from the most important task you already have. In this course, we focus exactly on what you need to implement now, which is everything needed to understand what you'll need to set up to incorporate LinkedIn into your existing business, without the fluff. Now to get started is simple. Hit the Buy Now button. And in an hour, or less in some cases, you'll be making the most of the LinkedIn setup process. So get started today. Hit the Buy Now button.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for awesome health videos. Also click the link below to learn more, and please share this video with your friends. They will thank you for sharing it.